All right, there's 10 chicken thighs I'm fixing to put in my solar oven. It's 8:20 in the morning. Got a little salt and pepper on both levels, 2 levels, 5 and 5. So let's go up to the solar oven. All right, I've had it out here for, what is that, like 125 or so? I mean, it's only been out here long enough for me to go inside and put the chicken in that pan and come back out. And we'll check on it throughout the day. All right, it's been 24 minutes. What is that, like 225 or so? 24 minutes. That's amazing. You got to get one. They're fun to cook in. Oh, let's go have a look at the temperature. Well, it's steamed up, so I won't be able to see that. I'm gonna take a paper towel and whew. Let me get my paper towels out. I'm gonna dry that steam off. I think another hour. All right, it's 5 minutes till 3, and it was between 275 and 300 most all the day. And boy, does that look good. I'm gonna get me one out and give it a taste. I don't know what it is about solar cooked food, but it has to be partly mental, but it just tastes so much better than stove cooked food. I don't understand it, but I'm not going to argue with it. I'm just going to eat it. Bon appetit.